Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states, the Jews of Banu Nadir and Banu Qurayza fought with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Banu Nadir into exile, and favoring Banu Qurayza permitted them to remain there. Later Banu Qurayza waged a war. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon killed their men and apportioned their women, children and property amongst the Muslims. However, some of the Jews joined Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted them security and they embraced Islam. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam banished all the Jews of Medina Munawwara, including Banu Qaynuqa, the tribe of Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam radiyallahu anhu, the Jews of Banu Haritha, and every Jew who used to live in Medina Munawwara. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4567.